Dear students of class 8, we will discuss today another chapter, mathematics, that is circle and circular region. Chapter name, the topic is circle. The topic begins with the circumference of a circle. It is the length of the boundary of a circle. Similarly, the points as shown in the figure, which are lying inside the circle, we can call the interior of the circle, while the points which are lying outside the circle, that is exterior of the circle. Similarly, some points also can be lie on the circumference of the circle. Therefore, the points which are lying on the circumference and inside the circle, that constitute together the circular region of the circle. A chord, a line segment that joins any 2 points on a circle, concentric circle, are 2 or more circles which have the same center. Arc of the circle, it is a part of the circle between 2 points. A smaller arc of a circle is called a minor arc, and its opposite, which cover the larger part of the circumference, that forms your major arc. The segment of the circle is the region bounded by an arc and a chord joining its endpoints. If the arc is smaller, it forms a minor segment, and its opposite, which is covering the rest portion of the circular region, that is forming your major segment. A sector of a circle is the region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc and 2 radii that joins endpoints of the arc. The diameter divides the circle into 2 equal parts. Each part of this circumference and the diameter is called the semicircle. Sector also you can take the region major sector and minor sector, etc. Accordingly, the chapter, since you know some portions are there to answer, here is a question for you to answer. You can look at this figure given, a circle with some points as shown in the figure. You can see the points. Points as shown. You have here D, Q, M, O, S, X, P, N, T and Y. In this given figure, name the points in the different part of this. First question is related to you, interior of the circle. Second question related to minor sector, that is OXPYO. Third question related to find the points related to minor segment XTYX. Fourth, it is the major sector, the point related to major sector OXQYO. Fifth, the point related to major arc XQY. And the sixth, the point remains in minor arc XPY. So these are the home assignment for you. If you try to answer these questions, and you can, so the questions is very easy to answer. You try to answer and learn the different part as shown in the figure. If you like the video, you can share and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and give comment for improvement. Thank you.